Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use shaft command in CATIA. Today CATIA lecture 23 is discussed here and all explain all these points deeply and clearly. Today shaft command use in CATIA and how this works we will see here. Okay, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface. Okay, at first okay, this is our CATIA interface and this is a shaft command in CATIA. Okay, today discuss here shaft command in CATIA and CATIA how this works we will see here. And at first CATIA work this software at first a 2D sketch in a CATIA software. Okay, at first select a plane is a XY plane sketch, and any sketch a geometry, any sketch a 2D sketching. Okay, this is a profile line is a this point, this and this point, any sketch here. Okay, this point and this point and this point and this. Okay, this is a right click, this is a vertical. Okay, and this undo process, this is a vertical and mention dimension. Okay, and axis point, draw here a center point. Okay, this is a axis and this axis is very useful. This 2D sketching a revolve. Okay, this is a shaft and mention dimension is a okay, this point is a okay, this point, this is a 20 and this point is a okay, and also this point. Okay, and this point is a also mention here, and this point is a sketch, this point is a pink color is underdefined. Okay, delete here, and also this point is okay, and this point, this line is a okay, this line and this line is a this is geometry. Okay, this line is delete here. Okay, but this also this. Okay, all is a fully defined, all is a green color is fully defined, and mention any dimension is a 50 and 100. Okay, and this is a 150, this is a correct, and this point is a 20, and this point is also a, this point is a 20. Okay, and this point is 35. Okay, and this point is a 60. Okay, okay, and this point is a, okay, this point is a 25, and this point is also 20. Okay, this point is a 40. Okay, and this point is a, this point is not, but this point is correct, this point is a correct, and this point is 20. Okay, and okay, 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 exit, and this is a revolve boss base, and this perfect is a perfect, and body is showing here, and this is thickness. Okay, and this is a preview is showing. Okay, this body. Okay, and this body is correct. Okay, this is okay, and mention. Okay, and any color is okay. This is a shaft. Right click property, a property is a, this is a color is pink. Okay, 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 this is a correct. Guys, CATIA lecture 23 is complete here, and shaft command is today discuss here. And guys, CATIA lecture 24 is coming soon, and guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use group command in CATIA. Today discuss here CATIA lecture 24. You can see here group command in CATIA is very important, and this is a very useful in 3D product design in CATIA software. Okay, at first open a CATIA software, and this is our CATIA interface, and at first open this CATIA software, then at first start and mechanical design, and this is a part design. Okay, okay, this is our CATIA interface, and this is a group command in CATIA. Okay, this is not active, but some any 2D sketching, some sample 2D sketching, then this group command is active. Okay, at first select a XY plane and any 2D sketch drawing. Okay, at first 2D sketch drawing, this is a hexagon. Okay, and this is a hexagon. Okay, and this dimension is this is a diameter. Okay, okay, this point and this point is click here. This is a diameter. Any this point is a Okay, 60 is correct. Okay, 60 is correct, and this is a exit. Okay, and at first drawing a pad is a 40 millimeter. Okay, and this is a use a group command, and all this command you can see here, all command is active, and this is a 3D part is drawing, and this is a 3D command. You can see here all command is active, and today discuss here this is a group command is apply here in this part design. Okay, and this is a higher line you can see here. Okay, 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 this is a this line is a parallel, and click, and this is a exit. Okay, 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 and this use, okay, and this use a project 3D element, and this line, and again this line is click here. Okay, this line is a click here, and some corner point is a drawing here, and this trim, no trim corner point, corner, this is a corner command, corner, and corner is a this corner is a trim all elements, this corner is a trim first element, and this is a no trim, this trim is corner is use here, and first and select, and this is a this, and this radius is 20. Okay, 20 is more, but 15 is correct, better. Okay, this, okay, and this all extra point is a quick trim, this trim and this trim. Okay, okay, this trim. Okay, and exit. Okay, okay, and this is a use a group command, and this is a first angle 360, second angle is 0, and this is a selection, this point is a click any plane, and this right click and Z plane is drawing here. Okay, this preview is showing. Okay, this is a this is a okay, okay, you can see here. Okay, this is a active group command in. Okay, this is a correct, and some other use one point is another, this is a undo, and this point is a, and this point is correct. Okay, and this point is a okay, undo. Okay, at first select a Z plane, click. Okay, this is a hexagon is a okay, and this again mention any dimension is a 60. Okay, exit, and this is a pad is 40. Okay, and this line is a drawing here. Okay, okay, this line is a drawing here, and click exit. Okay, this pointer. Okay, okay, this is a okay, this is a this line, and this line is a Okay, this line select and okay, sketch, and some project 3D element is used, you can see here, and this line again use this line is a okay, and some corner point is 2 line is a okay, and corner is a 10, okay, 12 is correct, and extra line is a trim, this line and this line is a trimmed, okay, and exit, and some use a group command, you can see here, and this is a plane, select right and select y axis, okay, this is preview is this is thickness is increase, okay, and preview is showing here, okay, this is a less thick, preview is showing this, and this is a okay, this is a okay, this is preview is showing here, exit reverse direction, and this body is okay, this preview is showing here, and again this is a right, okay, this is a preview is showing here, okay, and this body is pad, and this is a right click property and click here this color, okay, and this body is a groove is a property is a pink color, okay, this is a groove, this command is a very important, and this command is also here, this body is a pink color, okay, guys, CATIA lecture 24 is completed, and today discuss here group command is a completed, and next lecture coming soon 25, okay, get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share, okay guys, thank you.